breathe.
Wow, cookies! I hope this turns out better than the last time someone left baked goods on my doorstep.
Awkward?
Awkward.
Oh, look at the time! I gotta go do something somewhere else. Look, Knuckles! A Zoochai crystal cluster! Perfect to build a hyper-exo mattifier, don't you think?
What came after Look, Knuckles?
What luck! This rock would make a perfect focusing lens for my hyper-exo mattifier. All I need is a refracting chamber and an influx reflector. Right, Knuckles?
Do you use big words just to make me feel, what's that word that means not smart?
Obtuse?
Yeah, see? That's what I'm talking about.
I have to go build traps for when you ultimately betray us all.
I guess voice-activated rocket thrusters are a bad idea when you're screaming.
I wouldn't have been screaming if you weren't making that horrible noise. Just breathe.
What came after Look, Knuckles?
I thought we'd never get out of there.
Well, at least we're finally back home.
Sorry, guys. I've got to go think of an excuse not to hang out with you.
Oh, now I get it.
Uh-oh.
This isn't working. We can't keep fighting around these Gogobas.
Maybe we should fight over them.
That's what I'm talking about.
When the luck balance of the universe shifts against you, just get it all over with as quickly as possible to shift it back. It's like one of those things. When you hear it, you're like, duh, that's so obvious. I can't believe I never thought of this before. What came after Look, Knuckles?
Back! Back, I say! Bail, Tails, bail!
Sonic, I'm stuck!
I guess voice-activated rocket thrusters are a bad idea when you're screaming. What the what?
Don't crash!
What's going on here?
Nothing I can't handle.
Nux, you're wasting your time with this luck stuff. I've been beating you lately entirely due to skill.
Luck!
Skill.
Luck!
Skill. Like the way I beat you in this argument just now.
You didn't win yet because I'm still saying the word luck. Luck!
Uh-oh.
Can we discuss this somewhere else? You make a valid point. Bad news, there's no off switch.
Well, yeah, who puts an off switch on a doomsday device?
So what now?
This is a long shot, but it's our only chance. If we increase the energy output of both devices and get them vibrating at opposite frequencies, then there's a small chance they'll cancel each other out.
Yeah, just for a second, pretend I'm not a science guy.
Get Eggman to increase his device's power. I'll do the same with Dave. Sonic, my laser-guided unbolterizer is ready to go. I've got a clean shot at Spider-Bot.
So dysfunctional. They won't last long.
Tails, have you even tested it yet?
Don't worry, it'll work.
So, Nux, I was kind of hoping we could get you to stop this nonsense before an asteroid pulverizes you into baby food. Any suggestions?
Admit that luck is the only reason you've been beating me all this time.
How about we have a rematch right now? Skill versus skill.
How? By putting me in more danger?
The plan had holes!